Whether working on a hardwood surface or on carpet, the sliding mobility discs will add a new challenge to your workout. These versatile double-sided discs are ideal for bodyweight training, allowing you to work through a full range of motion with stability and control. Use them under the hands, the feet, or even the knees to strengthen and tone individual muscle groups in the arms, legs, or the all-important core. Sliding mobility discs target your body's overall flexibility and dynamic stability in floor-based exercises for any level of exerciser. Add a new element to the standard plank by adding arm circles or leg slides that challenge abdominal strength and control. They can even be incorporated in a standing series to improve cardiovascular health. These lightweight discs are travel-friendly for fitness enthusiasts on the go.